Hey beautiful people, so I know you see this cute hairstyle. It's so cute, I know. Don't worry, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. So first, I was kind of struggling to get that hair tie out of my hair because I had my hair gelled up all day, but we're not gonna talk about that. You want to make sure that your hair is super detangled before you do anything to it, because that's just really important. You know, that's just that on that. But first I'm going to start off with parting my hair, and this part is going from like the arch of my eyebrow to the back of my head, kind of, sort of, but it's not going all the way back. I'm just going to create like a square on the side of my hair, and that's just going to create my first section. Okay, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side of my hair. Super simple, nothing too major. And for some reason, I don't know why I didn't just braid my hair and then go to the next section, but whatever. So I split this section into two, and that's just gonna like create, I'm just gonna create two braids on this side of my hair. So yes, you guys, just make sure you follow along if you want to do this hairstyle, but it's super simple, so I mean nothing too major really. But yeah, so my hair is straightened, right? I straightened my hair like 2 weeks ago, and it's a mess. Like, it's a mess. I don't know if I want to go back curly or if I just want to do some box braids, but I was like, in the meantime, let me just come up with a cute hairstyle that I can do and it be cute, you know, because I really love when my hair is straight. It's so easy to work with, but like I said, it's a mess now, so I just had to think of something else to do to it. And oh y'all, if you need to know how to braid, let me know, because I got you. I know it's 2019, but it's okay if you still don't know how to braid. Like, that's perfectly fine. If you need to know how to braid, like I said, just let me know, and I will do a tutorial for you, darling. Okay? But yeah, so what was I gonna say? I don't know. I kind of forgot. But I'm just doing the exact same thing to this side of my hair, y'all. And yeah, this hairstyle came out so cute. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, girl, I be coming up with some cute hairstyles. Period. So yeah, feel free to do this on your frontals, on your natural hair, you know, whatever. This hairstyle would be really cute on a little girl too. I don't know. And I can't wait to try this hairstyle on like my curly hair. It'll be so cute on my curly hair. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to go back curly. But I don't know if I'm gonna go back curly like soon or whatever. But I'm just taking this little cute jewelry, y'all. This what really made this hairstyle pop for me. I was like, oh yes, this is cute, girl. Like, what? Period. But now I'm just gonna prepare to like section for the, like, I had like 2 little braids hanging in the front, and that's just what I'm sectioning off for now. And you just want to like, well, you see, I just, you know, part like a, you know, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I'm horrible at explaining, but I'm just plaiting my hair down, creating like 2 little plaits in the front, and this really gave the hairstyle like a really cute pop as well. So yeah. It's so cute. It's gonna be so cute. So now I'm just pulling everything up. Like, I'm just pulling like those 4 braids up into the top, like just pulling it into a ponytail and brush it. Y'all, I was excited. Okay, I was like, oh my god, this hairstyle is so cute, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Mwah.